Have you ever experienced a sense that something isn't quite right with the world? We live with a nagging feeling that there's more to life than meets the eye. You're not alone. Many of us have sensed a hidden truth beneath the surface, something the Matrix doesn't want us to know. The Matrix is more than a sci-fi concept. It's an intricate web of control that ensnares and exploits humanity for its energy. It's a grand delusion, a puppet show where we unwittingly play the puppets. It's a web of beliefs and social structures passed down through generations, creating a reality that doesn't truly serve our higher purpose. But how did we end up here? Why do we accept a reality that doesn't benefit us? The truth is that many of these beliefs aren't even our own. They're inherited, passed down from one generation to the next, like a baton in a never-ending race. From the moment we are born, we are conditioned to accept these beliefs, creating a tapestry of limitations we're often unaware of. These beliefs form the foundation of the Matrix, a system cunningly designed to benefit only a select few at the top of the pyramid. Dolores Cannon's teachings highlight that those in power have no intention of relinquishing their control willingly. They thrive on maintaining the status quo, perpetuating a world where exploitation, greed, and life-negating expressions are not only allowed, but often actively encouraged. The Matrix operates on a paradigm of ever-increasing enslavement and exploitation, all while keeping humanity in the dark about their true potential. One of the most insidious deceptions is the idea that humans are inherently violent and destructive, justifying control, surveillance, and the suppression of individual freedoms. But ask yourself, is this really the essence of humanity? Is violence and destruction our natural state? Or have we been manipulated into believing this, perpetuating a self-fulfilling prophecy? Dolores Cannon believed that we are living in a multi-dimensional universe with alternative realities. The Matrix is just one reality among many parallel timelines. Some timelines are more destructive, while others offer a more benevolent existence. The key is to realize that the artificial reality of the Matrix is not the only world available to us. We've been conditioned to believe that we have no power to change it, but the truth is far different. The Matrix taps into our innate creative abilities to sustain a world that doesn't serve our best interests. It thrives on our ignorance and unconscious participation. But what if we were to awaken fully to our true potential? What if we recognize the power within us? When we become fully conscious beings, the Matrix loses its grip on us. It relies on our unconsciousness to function, and once we awaken, we can break free from its chains. The future holds incredible possibilities, and the choice is ours. Stay trapped in the Matrix, or embrace a life of freedom and empowerment. The Matrix knows that we are extensions of the Source, conduits of the same life force that created the universe. Those in power guard this knowledge zealously, limiting access to it. Libraries like the Vatican are closed off to regular people, and fake social structures keep humanity in a perpetual state of fear, guilt, and shame. Ever wondered why certain resource-rich regions like Africa and South America remain mired in poverty? It's not for lack of wealth, it's because those in power benefit from their lack of awareness. The Matrix wants us to believe that our lives are inconsequential, that we're products of a random evolutionary path. But in reality, we hold the power to create and transform our reality. Our true power lies in our ability to focus. A coherent brain and heart have the incredible potential to heal, create, and attract positive outcomes. Where you direct your attention, there your energy flows. The Matrix understands this and employs various distractions, low vibrational entertainment, sports, television news to divert your focus. One person who deliberately connects to the source and focuses their energy is more powerful than millions who remain distracted. The Matrix aims to keep us in a state of unawareness, convincing us that our lives are mere accidents. But the truth is that we are deliberate creators, and our thoughts and intentions have immense power. The Matrix anticipates upcoming events, including the potential for humanity to shift to higher dimensions. It seeks to hinder this shift by perpetuating fear, creating conflicts, and even engineering artificial diseases. Dolores Cannon's clients, in their sessions, have revealed the motives of those in power. We stand at a crossroads facing a critical decision. Will we allow the Matrix to maintain its hold, or will we break free from the shackles of this dense 3D world? The power to choose our destiny lies within us, waiting to be awakened. Humanity stands at the precipice of an extraordinary transformation, an awakening that has long been foreseen, but intentionally obscured by the Matrix. You might wonder why anyone or anything would seek to keep us in the dark about our true potential. What could they possibly gain from our continued ignorance? The answer lies in the profound realization that the Matrix fears our potential. It recognizes that when we awaken to our true selves, we become unstoppable forces of positive change. Picture a world where individuals tap into the limitless wellspring of creativity, love, and compassion that resides within them. It's a world where fear and division lose their grip and the power of unity shines through. This is the world that terrifies those who seek to maintain control. Dolores Cannon's clients, during their sessions, have peeled back the layers of deception and provided invaluable insights into the great chaos that looms on the horizon. Those who cling to power, like a drowning person clutching at a lifeline, will stop at nothing to maintain their grip on the world. But here's the truth: their grip is slipping, and the more people awaken to the reality of the Matrix, the weaker its hold becomes. The Matrix thrives on manipulation and deception, excelling at keeping us divided. It sows discord and strife among us, convincing us that we are powerless, that our individual actions are inconsequential. But nothing could be further from the truth. The shift to higher dimensions is not merely a possibility, it is our destiny. It is the next step in our evolution as conscious beings. The Matrix may try to sow fear and doubt, but it cannot stop the inevitable. The awakening is already in motion, and it cannot be halted. As we awaken to our true nature, we begin to recognize our interconnectedness with all of existence. We realize that the same life force flows through us as it does through the stars, the oceans, and the trees. We are not isolated, but rather integral threads in the grand tapestry of creation. Breaking free from the Matrix starts with a profound realization, a realization that you have the power to choose. You can choose to remain ensnared in the web of deception, or you can break free and step into the radiant light of truth and empowerment. Always remember, the Matrix's power thrives on your unconsciousness, which relies on your unawareness of your own thoughts, beliefs, and intentions to maintain control. But you have the capacity to awaken to your true self, to become a conscious co-creator of your reality, no longer subject to the whims of a manipulative system. The path to freedom and awakening is not without its challenges. It demands courage, self-awareness, and a willingness to question the status quo. It entails shedding the limiting beliefs that have held you back and embracing the boundless potential that resides within you. Begin your journey by examining your beliefs. Are they genuinely yours, or have they been handed down to you by society, culture, or family? Take the time for introspection and discover your authentic self, the self that exists beyond the constraints of the Matrix. The Matrix seeks to keep you disconnected from the source, from the wellspring of wisdom, love, and creativity that resides within you. But the good news is that you can reclaim that connection. Set aside moments each day to quiet your mind, to connect with your heart, and to tap into the infinite energy of the universe. Meditation, mindfulness, and self-reflection are potent tools that can help you re-establish this connection with your inner essence. When you align your thoughts and intentions with the source, you become a radiant beacon of light in a world shrouded in darkness. The matrix thrives on division, but unity is our greatest strength. When we come together with a shared vision of a better world, we become an unstoppable force for positive change. The matrix cannot withstand the power of a united humanity. Seek out like-minded individuals who share your vision of a more awakened world. Join communities, engage in meaningful conversations, and collaborate on projects that uplift and inspire. Together, we can dismantle the matrix and usher in a new era of consciousness, one that resonates with our true nature as beings of love and light. Recognize that one of the matrix's most potent tools is its ability to divert your attention. It bombards you with low vibrational entertainment, sensational news, and distractions that keep you fixated on trivial matters. But you hold the key to reclaiming your attention. Take a discerning look at where you invest your time and energy. Are these activities in alignment with your true purpose and values, or are they merely distractions? By consciously choosing where to direct your attention, you regain control over your life. Education serves as a crucial instrument in breaking free from the matrix's grasp. Knowledge becomes a powerful weapon against manipulation and deception. Seek out information that broadens your understanding of the world, expands your consciousness, and illuminates your potential. Consider why certain regions, despite their wealth in natural resources, remain impoverished. It's not due to a lack of wealth, but rather a lack of awareness and education. Instead of simply providing aid, we can empower these regions by fostering education and sustainable business opportunities. To genuinely transcend the matrix, we must undergo a shift in our perspective. We must come to realize that we are not victims, but creators. We hold the power to shape our reality, to manifest our dreams, and to co-create a world abundant in love, compassion, and abundance. The matrix endeavors to convince you that you are insignificant, that your life is devoid of meaning. But in truth, you are a unique expression of the source, and your existence carries profound purpose and significance. Fear serves as the lifeblood of the matrix. It thrives on the fear of the unknown, the fear of change, and the fear of our own potential. To break free, we must confront and transcend our fears. Ask yourself, what are you afraid of? What limiting beliefs are holding you back? Confront your fears head on, for beyond them lies liberation and empowerment. Love and compassion represent the antidotes to the matrix manipulation. When we operate from a place of love, we transcend fear and division. We recognize the interconnectedness of all beings and extend kindness and empathy to one another. Practice self-love and extend that love to others. Be a beacon of light and positivity in the world, for love possesses the ultimate power to dismantle the matrix's web of deception. No matter how fiercely the matrix attempts to maintain its control, the shift to higher dimensions remains inevitable. Humanity is awakening to its true potential, and there is no turning back. As you embark on your journey of self-discovery and empowerment, know that you have the support of a global community of like-minded individuals. Together, we can dismantle the matrix and usher in a new era of consciousness, one that aligns with our true nature as beings of love and light. The choice is unequivocally yours. Remain ensnared in the web of the matrix, or break free and step boldly into a world of freedom, empowerment, and limitless potential. What path will you choose? I've been receiving countless comments from all of you, and they warm my heart. Many have shared that my videos arrive at just the right moment, providing you with hope and courage in these challenging times where confusion often feels like our daily bread. I want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude for your unwavering support of this channel and for being an essential part of this incredible community. As I read your messages and feel the connection that we share, I am filled with certainty that we will all come together in the new earth. We are on the cusp of something truly remarkable, where we will collectively build a world founded on cooperation instead of competition, abundance instead of lack, and love instead of fear. I want to encourage each and every one of you to take a mere 15 minutes a day, a small fraction of your time, to visualize the new earth. Direct your most valuable resource, your focus, toward this wondrous place that we are all destined to inhabit. While you visualize, let your heart overflow with gratitude and love. Your thoughts and intentions have immense power, and together we can co-create this magnificent future. Thank you for being a part of this journey, for watching, and for being a beacon of light in these transformative times. Stay strong, my friends. This challenging ride will soon come to an end. We came here for this very purpose, to usher in a new earth filled with love, unity, and abundance. Until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.